A pleasant morning to one and all. We are at the Holy Spirit Institute, Margao. With regard to the observance of the Swachhata Hi Sewa SHS campaign, special nationwide initiative, Ek Din, Ek Ghanta, Ek Sath, the circular was sent by the State Project Director, Goa Samagra Shiksha, Dr. S.S. Gadi, and we at the Holy Spirit Institute have abided by the circular, and we have started this campaign on this day, today, from 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. An invitation was sent to all our stakeholders, the PTA, also the parents, our parishioners, our bus drivers, bus attendants, and all those who are involved in the school were called today from 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock, and they did a very good job. We saw to the cleanliness of the premises inside the school campus and outside too. We have also cleaned and swept the places near the church premises and also the place where the students stand for the bus. So the bus stand also was cleaned. And it was a good opportunity also for our students to realize the importance of cleanliness. Swachhata Hi Sewa, which is very, very important. That is a clarion call given by the Prime Minister to keep our nation clean and green. So this will foster a spirit of unison wherein the students, the stakeholders, everyone takes the responsibility to keep the surroundings clean. Thank you.